Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into learn how to make money online, top examples from individuals and businesses. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Alright, let's get into the video. There are many individuals and businesses that have successfully made money online. Here are a few examples. Jeff Bezos, the founder and CEO of Amazon.com. Jeff Bezos has become one of the richest people in the world by selling products online. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder and CEO of Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg has made billions by creating a social media platform that connects people around the world. Gary Vaynerchuk, a serial entrepreneur. Gary Vaynerchuk has made a name for himself by creating successful online businesses and providing valuable marketing advice to others. PewDiePie, a popular YouTuber. PewDiePie has built a massive following and made millions of dollars by creating entertaining videos and engaging with his fans. Pat Flynn, an online entrepreneur and blogger. Pat Flynn has built a successful business by providing valuable content and resources to others looking to start their own online ventures. These are just a few examples of the many individuals and businesses that have found success in making money online.